Hello guys, outstanding morning. I'm Solange Health and Beauty from London, and today I'm going to bring you the good news for all those that have inflammation, pain on the knee, on the joint, on the head, on the back, all those back pain. I have a solution for you. The solution for you is the red bubble tea. Red bubble tea is one anti-inflammatory, so you do it with pre-boiled water. I pre-boil the water 150 ml, not too much, and then you put your red bubble tea inside. You put it inside and you need to stir it very well. Red bubble tea is made out of red rice. So they take the red rice and they make it, so it's quite healthy and it's quite good for your body cell, for your joint, for your body. And you don't just have to take the red bubble tea. You need to mix it with Hawaiian spirulina, where you will take some tablet in the evening, and you will take also the café 73. But today I'm going to focus more on the red bubble tea, which is an excellent hot drink. Immediately you will take it, few minutes after, your pain will really ease. Delicious, really delicious. The products are excellent. And in the evening you will take your shake off. So let me summarize. In the morning, when you have an inflammation, you take 5 spirulina Hawaiian, 5 tablets. Let me show you. I'm going to take them as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the mouth, don't swallow. You need to take it as sweet. You need to suck it, or you need to chew them. And after, you will have your red bubble tea. After the red bubble tea, in the evening, after your dinner, you will have a really light dinner. You will have your café 73, and after the café 73, before you go to bed, you need to always cleanse your colon. So you will take the shake off. So this is for today. I was just bringing you the good news that there's a solution for your inflammation, for your chronic pains, that will not have, that doesn't need any tablet or any pharmaceutical product, because the pharmaceutical product, when they treat one problem, they cause another problem. They can help with your joints, but they will go and cause problem with your liver, or they will cause problem in your lung or in your colon. So as for today, let me leave you with this good news, and bye.